Good morning. The next topic for the discussion is theories of intelligence. There are so many theories of intelligence. The first and the foremost theory has been given by an American psychologist, E. L. Thorndike, that means Edward Lee Thorndike, and the theory popularly known as anarchic theories of intelligence. Anarchic theory of intelligence. And according to Thorndike, intelligence has got three important aspects. That means we can classify the intelligence into three categories. Number one is abstract intelligence. Number two is considered to be concrete intelligence. And third one is social intelligence. So intelligence of a person is the product of three important aspects. They can be classified into abstract, social, and concrete. The next theory is given by Charles Spearman, a British psychologist. The theory popularly known as Spearman two-factor theory of intelligence. Spearman two-factor theory of intelligence. And the theory has got two aspects, general factor and the specific factor. That is why the theory came to be known as two-factor. And the third theory was given by L. Thurston, another important British psychologist. The theory came to be known as Thurston's primary mental ability. In short, it is known as Thurston's PMA. The theory is basically a group factor theory. According to Thurston, intelligence of a person is the product of numerous elements. The fourth theory was given by J.P. Guilford, an American psychologist. The theory popularly known as Guilford's structure of intelligence. J.P. Guilford's structure of intelligence. The essence of Guilford theory is that intelligence cannot be measured by means of a single parameter. It is the total of numerous elements. The theory popularly known as Guilford's structure of intelligence. There is another theory has been given by Philip E. Vernon. The theory also stresses the importance of a common factor, that means the G factor. The theory given by Philip E. Vernon, Vernon's theory of intelligence. There is another theory is given by Sternberg. The theory is known as triarchical theory of human intelligence given by Sternberg. And the theory has got three important aspects that we'll be discussing later. Sternberg triarchical theory of intelligence. And the last one, the most important theory has been given by Howard Gardner. The theory came to be known as theory of multiple intelligence. So these are the most important theories on human intelligence. Number one, the first theory, the Thorndike anarchic theory. Then number two is considered to be Spearman two-factor theory. And the third one is L. Thurston's primary mental ability. And the fourth one is Guilford's structure of intelligence. And the fifth theory was given by Philip E. Vernon, Vernon's theory of intelligence. And the next is Sternberg triarchical theory. The theory has got three important aspects. Sternberg triarchical theory of intelligence. The last and the foremost, Howard Gardner. Last and the foremost, Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence is very, very important. Theories of multiple intelligence.